Welcome to the Southwestern Career Academy.
Welcome to the cutting edge.
It feels great. Is this water too hot?
Oh my god, I love this color.
Open, close. You alright? Okay, good.
Hey Grace, can we get to mark our seal?
Yeah. Keep your head, watch your head. Considering what's appropriate.
Rob is wheelchair. Your blood pressure.
Genetically engineered pregnancies accomplish through genetic material.
We help them sell.
About
A lot of Muslim women super.
that's some really great research too.
Yeah, so in our first year, we're that looks great. Welcome to the Mobile Apps Podcast. Today we'll be talking about
That solution is perfect.
So how are you guys doing today?
I'm doing good. You should probably check your wireless components.
Did you finish your round?
Today we're going to talk about
It's going to pay for piece of equipment for every United States. Holy seas and those.
Enjoy your meal. Thank you.
It looks like you're sprinting at full speed, but running like kind of slowly.
Did you finish the alarm for the booth?
The Southwestern Career Academy. What's your plan?